In today's video I will show you how to stake your Solana and earn passive income in the form of extra tokens. If you don't plan on selling or trading your Solana in the immediate future because you are a believer in the project and a long-term holder, staking is a great way to earn passive income from your crypto. Cryptocurrencies like Solana use a consensus mechanism called proof of stake. All the transactions are verified by so-called validators, and your staked crypto becomes part of that process. You not only earn more tokens by staking, but you also help secure the network at the same time. Solana is one of the largest and fastest growing smart contract networks, and if you stake your Solana directly with validators, your tokens serve as collateral to support its consensus mechanism. In return for your participation, you earn staking rewards which are distributed in the form of additional tokens. The amount of rewards you earn depends on factors such as the duration of your staking and the amount of tokens. Let's start with checking out the current staking validators on the website stakingrewards.com. Here you get all the staking rates on various networks like Solana. As we can see, the current reward rate for Solana is 7.34%, but this percentage fluctuates over time. It's currently up 0.15% over the past 7 days, however, it should stay pretty consistent around 7%. This means that if you stake 100 Solana right now, at the end of the year you will have 107 Solana, so your balance is continuously growing. If you are holding Solana for the long term, there's little downside to staking. Once you have staked your tokens, there's a period you have to wait to withdraw your Solana, which is usually a few days. It's a good idea to only delegate your tokens to reputable validators, and not to stake all your tokens to a single validator. Check out the Staking Rewards website to see the validator score to find out more about the staking platform if you are in doubt. The first thing to do is to get a wallet to store your Solana. I use the popular Phantom Chrome browser wallet, which was designed for the Solana network, but you can choose another wallet like Solflare. If you don't have a Phantom wallet already, go to the website phantom.app and install the wallet extension on your browser of choice. After setting up your wallet, you need to send some Solana to your wallet to pay for the transactions on the network. You can buy Solana on Coinbase, Binance or Kraken, or swap it on PancakeSwap, and then send it to your Phantom wallet. I already have some Solana in my wallet, so I can start staking right away. There are two staking options. You can stake directly through your wallet, or you can use a liquid staking platform. Let's start with the direct staking option through our Phantom wallet. Let me open my wallet and select my Solana account. Here's my staked Solana wallet, which holds some Solana that I already staked. Every time you stake Solana, a new staking wallet is created for you. I have staked Solana on the ChainNode Tech Validator, but if you don't have any staked Solana, there will be a button here that you can click to create a new stake. To stake more Solana, I just need to click the plus sign and select a validator. It's really that easy. There is a list of trusted validators to pick from, but you can look up other validators by typing in their name in the search form. Most validators have different rates, based on the commission they take. Browse several ones and check their fee and commission structure to see where you get the best deal. In this case I'm going with the Phantom Validator, even though the APY is a little lower, but it's run by Phantom itself, so it's a high-quality validator. I will stake 4 Solana for this demo, click on Stake, and it should just take a minute to finish. When I go back to the Solana wallet I can see the stake there. If you want to unstake your Solana for any reason, you need to wait until your stake is activated. There will be an option to unstake it just like here. Remember that it takes 1 or 2 days to withdraw your stake because the staked Solana wallet has to be deactivated before the tokens can be sent back to your Phantom wallet, but this is perfectly normal. If you want to use liquid staking outside of your wallet, then that's also a great option. With liquid staking, you not only earn staking rewards right away, you also get a liquid staking token that you can sell at any time. I use the DeFi Llama website to overview all the liquid token validators. Marinade, Jito and Camino are the leading providers with the highest TVL. Let's use Marinade for this demo. The Marinade network was Solana's first native liquid staking solution and offers 2 staking options: liquid and native staking. With liquid staking, you allocate your Solana tokens to a stake pool in the form of a smart contract, and receive mSol tokens in return. While your staked Solana earns rewards in the form of mined tokens and yield, which is distributed directly into the price of MSOL. You can deploy your MSOL as collateral in various DeFi protocols such as Solana, MarginFi, or Mango. Marinade native staking is an alternative to liquid staking that allows users to benefit from an automated delegation strategy without using a smart contract. Your Solana tokens are automatically distributed to the best validators on the network, and you can take out your stake whenever you want, giving you full control over your stake. For more details on how the native differs from liquid staking, read the Marinade's guide. What about safety? There is some risk of a validator getting punished or slashed for practicing bad behavior, like reporting false transactions, but if you delegate your tokens to a reputable and popular provider, you will be fine. Slashing is when a portion of the validator rewards are destroyed as a punitive measure for malicious actions. This incentivizes validators to play by the rules. Being slashed can be seen as a reputational risk for retaining current or attracting potential future stakes. Okay, that's it for today. If you have a comment or question, please drop it below in the comment section. I always respond to any feedback. If you found this video useful, please leave a like, or even better, subscribe to my channel and hit the small notification bell to get all my latest videos first. Have a wonderful day and stay safe.